This is one of those accessories that looks small, looks simple. But once you use it, you'll ask yourself, why didn't buy it this sooner? Today, I'm reviewing the Godox iT32, and I'll show you where this flash actually shines.
See some things that I never thought I would. There ain't no looking away, you're who you are. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go. So I just stop and say.
So inside the box, we have the Godox iT32 flash unit itself, the manual, some gels, and the USB-C and the diffuser. Very minimal, very Godox.
Look, I'm washing up on shore, and I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say.
First thing I noticed, this flash is small. If you're using mirrorless camera, this does not ruin the balance. The screen is clean, the buttons are simple, and the dial makes power adjustment super fast. This feels like a modern flash made for creators, not just photographers.
So I just stop and say.
For the size and portability, this is the type of flash you can actually bring with you, not the one you leave at home because it's too big.
You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake where there's no goodbyes and all the numbered days return to.
TTL makes life easy. If you don't want to think too much, TTL is your friend. You just focus on composition and the flash handles the exposure.
So I just stop and say. Till I can't let go.
But if you're like me and you want the full control, manual mode is here. You can fine-tune the power easily using the dial. This is perfect for product shots, portraits, food photography, content creation indoors. This is big. The head is tilted, which means you can bounce the light and avoid that harsh, ugly flash look. I tested this flash indoors, low light and normal room light. Let's be clear, this is not for a big events or huge halls. If you shoot weddings or need crazy power, you'll want a bigger flash. But for everyday photography and content creation, this makes sense. This is perfect for your mirrorless user, a content creator, a photographer who wants simple gear, or someone upgrade from LED to flash. The Godox iT32 is one of those tools that quietly improves your work. It's small, smart, easy to use, and it's just work. If you are tired of dark photos, flat lighting, or noise images, this tiny flash might be the missing piece in your setup. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog.